How to activate Mint Mobile eSIM. To activate the Mint Mobile's eSIM, first of all, you have to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, switch to a better network. Once you ensure your Wi-Fi connection, all you have to do is unlock your phone. Your device must be completely carrier unlocked. If you are financing the phone through another carrier, the eSIM download will fail. And also ensure your phone is running with the latest version of iOS or Android to prevent installation glitches. Now, all you have to do is proceed to activation via your Mint Mobile application. Launch the mobile application and then tap the Activate Your SIM option on the top left corner. Once you do this, all you have to do is enter the 11-digit code found in your confirmation email or purchase package. Then tap Get Started and then select this device when asked which phone are you activating. Tap the Install eSIM and follow the on-screen prompts and your problem will be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.